Hello guys, good evening, good morning and good afternoon. Whatever time you are watching this video, welcome to Apex Synthetics. So if you've been taking trades and you get stopped out, this video is for you. What you need to know is the problem is not a strategy. The problem is your confirmation entry. Yes, the problem is not your strategy, the problem is your entry. And so most traders today they rush into the market and take trades without confirmation, and because of that they end up losing their money. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to enter your trades with confirmation to avoid fake setups and also um, losing your money, and it will also help you to trade with confidence. So guys, most traders today also enter trades with emotions and also just guessing. They guess, okay, the market have tapped my POI right now, that means it's going to sell. Yeah, the market may sell, you now take your sell from there, or maybe the market may buy, they now take their buy from there. And because of these guys, they end up losing their hard-earned money. And so guys, for us to begin, what is confirmation entry? Confirmation entry is when you wait for the market to give you a clear sign that it is about to move, or a clear sign that it is going to move to a particular direction. If you're looking for a sell, market taps into your POI, the confirmation entry is going to tell you, okay, it's time to sell. The market is about to sell. The sellers are in control. Or maybe your buy setup, it tells you it's time to buy. The buyers are in control. So that's what the confirmation entry helps you for in the market. That is the use of the confirmation entry. And so guys, there are four important signs that you need to take note of as your confirmation entry. Four important signs, but you can pick any of these. You can get acquainted to any of these. The four important signs are the break of structure. Let me write it down guys. The four important signs are the break of structure. It's right here. The break of structure. We have here the break of structure. And the second one is what? Strong rejection. That's the second one. Strong rejection. Sorry guys. Strong rejection. And the third one we have is engulfing candle. That's the third one we have. Engulfing candle. And the last one is our retest. The last one is retest after breakout. Retest after breakout. So these are the four signs of our confirmation entry. Sorry, these are the four signs of our confirmation entry. So these are the things you should look for in your POI. Any of these that you see, you are good to go. The break of structure, the strong rejection, engulfing candle, retest after breakout. Oh, I've made a mistake right here guys, sorry for that. I've made a mistake here. Right here. It is break of structure, not break is structure. Yeah, sorry. Break of structure. Yeah. So you look for your break of structure, or your strong rejection, or your engulfing candles, or the retest after breakout. So these are the four signs of confirmation entry, and anyone you see, you are good to go in the market. So let us apply this. In our screen. Let us see how we can do this in our screen. So let's just take for example, this is our POI. So how can we apply our break of structure in our POI? How can we apply that? First, let me show you example of the break of structure. This is an example of our break of structure. You see, the market like this is an uptrend. The market pulls up, it comes down, and then it gets this high, gets swept. This high right here gets swept. So that is our break of structure. That high right there, that's this high right here that got swept is our break of structure. And so after giving that break, what are we now expecting? We're now expecting the market to retest on that high and then give us another pull to the upside. Then I give us another pull to the upside, and by giving us another pull to the upside, it also produces another break of structure. And so we also have another type of break of structure. The market can do this. This is also another form of a break of structure. The market goes up, give you this high, sweeps the high, then before you know it sweeps this low right here. So this is a break of structure. It sweeps this low, and what we are now expecting is what? For the market to give a retest up here and then continue to the downside. So that is our break of structure. And so how can we apply this in our charts if we are looking for a confirmation entry in a sell setup? So right now the market is going to pull into your POI, give you this high right here. After giving the high, it produces a low, and then what? It sweeps this high right here. This is your first break of structure, and before you know, the market now gives you your second break of structure by sweeping this low right here. So after taking out this low, what you're now waiting for is the market to retest on this low that have turned into a resistance. And when the market retests on that resistance, that is where you execute your trade. That is where you take your sell. Why are you taking your sell from there? Because the markets have shown you that sellers are now in control by breaking this low. So retesting right there, you take your trade, and the market is now going to continue to the downside. So that's how you can apply the break of structure in your POI. That's how you can use the break of structure as your confirmation entry. And so we also have the strong rejection. We have strong rejection. Strong rejection is when the market, a candlestick taps into your POI, then rejects immediately. The body of the candle comes out from your POI. It's only the wick that is in your POI. Let me illustrate that using this. Let me illustrate that. Right now, this is your body, your candlestick body. This is your candlestick body right there. And then right here is the wick. You can see this. You guys have seen this occur before. You guys have seen this occur before. You guys have seen this occur before. So this is your, let me take this as our bullish candle, and this right here as our bearish candle. So you guys have seen this before. So that strong rejection proves that sellers have taken over the market, and that your POI is a powerful zone, is a strong zone. And as sellers got to that level, what happened? Sellers took over the market with a strong force. Sellers are now in control. So you can now enter your trade, you can now execute your trade at the close of this candle. You now execute your trade at the close of this candle. So guys, after the strong rejection, we also have engulfing candle. Now what is the engulfing candle, and how can you use that engulfing candle as your confirmation entry? Here is the engulfing candle. You see something like this. Market pulls into your POI by giving a bullish candle here. The first bullish candle pulls into your POI. It's a bullish candle, and then the next candlestick, which is the bearish candlestick, closes, sells down immediately. After the close of that bullish candle, it sells down immediately and closes below your bullish candle. This is a clear sign that sellers have taken over the market. Sellers are now in control. That your zone is a strong zone, and sellers are now in control. Buyers are no more in control. Buyers are weak. Sellers are now powerful. The sellers have overpowered the buyers. So you now enter your trade at the close of this bearish candle. You enter your sell from there. So same thing applies to the buy setup if you're looking for a buy. Same thing applies if you're looking for a buy. Yeah. Same thing applies if you're looking for a buy. As the market closes above your bearish candle, a strong bullish candle closes above your bearish candle. So this is also the same thing with the buy. And then here is your POY. Market taps into your POY, and then strong bullish candle closes above your bearish candle. So it's just the same thing. It's just the opposite of you looking for a sell. Same thing with this break of structure as well. Is also the opposite of that. Market taps into your POY, give you this high, comes back here, take out this low right here, then does what? Take out that high. So what you're expecting is a retest on this high right here, and then pull to the upside. That is when you are looking for a buy. So that's the confirmation, that's the break of structure for a buy if you're looking for a confirmation entry for a buy. So the next one, guys, is the retest after breakout. How can we use the retest after breakout as our confirmation entry? First, the market has to tap into your POI. And when the market taps into your POI, this is what happens. Taps into your POI, you've seen something like this guy. Tap into your POI, breaks below, comes out of your POI. When it comes out of your POI, what happens? It returns back, retests into your POI, and then sells off. That is your break. That is your retest after the breakout. As the market broke out from your POI, it retested on the POI and sold off. So your entry, where you're to take your trade, is at the retest of this. When the market retests into your POI, you now wait for your candlestick pattern, and then when it gives you your correct candlestick pattern after retesting at your POI, that is when you now take your sell from there. So guys, these are the 4 signs that are used at the confirmation entry. These are the 4 confirmation entry signs, or let me say 4 examples of confirmation entry. So if you can use these and get acquainted with these, it will help you to enter your trade with confidence. It will help you to enter your trades with confidence and also avoid fake setups. So traders who do not use these or who do not follow these always lose their money. They always lose their money because they are entering trades just by guessing. But with these 4 examples of confirmation entry, you will not enter your trade by guessing. You are going to enter your trade with confidence. You're going to enter your trade with confidence. So guys, make sure that you take your trades with confirmation, because taking trades without confirmation results in losses. And if you want to avoid losing your money, make sure you take your trades with confirmation. And what's confirmation? These 4 types of confirmation entry: the break of structure, the strong rejection, the engulfing candle, and lastly the retest after breakouts. So guys, if this video have been helpful to you and you've learned something from it, make sure to subscribe to my channel Apex Synthetics, so that you will get more idea on the synthetic market or the currency pairs market as well, and also learn the forex market in a simple way. Good luck, guys.